What?
My baby mother vex with me and gone. So me put on a wig and try to get her attention. Because last night me and her have a fight.
That makes sense.
So did you get her attention?
Yeah, because she started her life now.
About him what this?
Jay, remember you put on pink wig? At least a black me have on. You have on pink wig, Jay.
Then me I try fix you, I that me the pan.
Yeah, I bet you know, Miss Chipper. Give me some time.
So if your head side, the way to feed. Why
Yeah.
uno young and torment do so. What
So Jaden, it's right to wash your ear at the kitchen pipe?
Yeah, my house.
Not wrong with that. What if people
No,
do
me just
that?
always want to know that.
Yeah, man, my house,
What
man.
if people wash ears na then but what make you cut off your head side?
Me no cut off my head side. That's me still have my head.
Them say baby mother go lock you up, so take off your wig.
Lock him up for a week.
Them say today a police
I lie.
they lock you up for your wig, for the wig. So they say me don't know. Come like them see her down there.
So she want to be a single mother.
Jerry,
Yes, Jerry. Sorry, Bella, what go on?
I think
Last
it
night, me and
right though. I think it right though.
What?
Everybody have different beliefs still.
What you don't think what right?
Wash your ear
well-
at the kitchen thing, I food that on your ear. I
No,
mean,
no, remember that wash out. Not well, me don't know.
Well,
A
Miss
lot of
Super,
people
Miss
do it.
Super.
Not really. Me don't know. Me
Miss
not see
Super.
nothing wrong with it.
Miss
I
Chipper,
think
if
it
you
right. Everybody have
Miss Chipper.
different, you know?
Miss Chipper, if you not want the house, you know, you're going to say it wrong. But that's how it go.
But don't mix me up.
Okay.
So. But no people do that, Shani. That normal to me.
Yeah, Mr. White people do it, so me I do it too.
I told Triple dog cook in her kitchen, so she do anything in her fear own. If she
We
want
don't
cook in
waste
there, she
of
do
time
wash her
over
hand
your
in.
buy. Me going back over Fabio. We don't waste of time.
And then, well, me just go to something about the kitchen. You live no freeze. Hello.
So Bella, where Jerry there? Cause me love see Jerry, me love what? No, me love see Jerry pan life.
Why
How is
Jerry
it?
come for you, know, Jerry, but don't you know, me I be realistic with you.
No, me know.
Jerry more now no filter. Jerome, come here.
No, me never say to call him Bella.
No, me just introduce you to somebody. More I see somebody and that. Just either. Just come here for a second.
So why cigarette can show up here?
No, it can't show.
How old is?
That you take up yourself
Me
with
know
a
me-
van week a while ago.
know
Yeah,
me-
Jerry, manners and respect me, Bella.
Yo.
Manners and respect me always watch your video them. Manners and respect.
Wonderful.
Wonderful
I'm Bella
fan.
fans, you know,
No.
Bella page.
No man, I'm a fan of you.
Get
Yeah,
him
you.
Now
Yeah,
she-
but I'm
I
a fan
don't
of
know.
you.
Do what me that say no?
Hey, yo.
Well, no. You meet a van 1 week a while
But
ago.
I don't care about no waiting.
And that's where we get weak from.
Hey, yo. You see this program here is Bella. This game thing there, 'cause all I do is play. I don't respond to this. You know. I am nature. You is technology and she. And you're the Bella page and you're Bella fan. You know about this, you know? Bella,
Shut up,
nature.
them say more meet you say aye.
I. But this
Fine,
program,
wonderful. Respect.
all I do is play. You don't have time to play. This reality. This nature. My father is power and I tell you about my mother.
All right, Jerry.
No,
All
I'm
right.
tell you how me.
All right, Jerry.
Me make you know
All
something.
right.
Me like that one, me tell you something. I said to my mother, I'm about 6-7 years old. Where I come from? She said, God make me. So I have to find God.
Yeah.
Find the glory.
Oh, I think of something else.
No, mama, because me and no father, I'm going to serve as a queen Elizabeth the second in my army, man. So me don't have no father. Let me check out myself, analyze myself. I have about 1 million blood clot father.
So Jerry, if one youth and him woman, him baby mother, he have one problem last night and he make a mistake, one of my friend them, and he make a mistake and lick him baby mother in her face and her face swell up and she run go around her friend. What you think the youth will do? Not me, you know.
Hey, I'm telling you something. No man no make perfect. No system no make perfect. No society no perfect.
Yeah.
Woman mouth is them strength. Them will tell you things that not go so. But they sound like it go so. We have to have them. She could have wicked little more. Because God make people, you know. Alright.
This is what I'm saying, no
Them
matter.
not my time to talk. No, tell me. Alright. And brush her up a little bit.
Yeah.
Because she's so negative. She neutralize.
No,
right?
and that's why me brush her up. Me go in
Why
her
brush her
phone.
up?
Me go in her phone and say 5 hood bigger than for me.
But
Five.
you
Oh, him. See that? Now for your phone.
Me? No, the youth.
Yeah, the you.
Go in her phone and say
Yeah.
5 hood.
Be good.
Big
Bum,
hood.
bum, bum. Bum, bum. Boy, I'm not upset. Any man is upset. So with the man them a put within our phone for.
No,
come with
them
the phone.
sorry.
Eh?
You come with the phone.
But I from long time before.
Yeah. If you
But
come with the
before.
phone, you say one like that, you know. Yeah, the man them a public like be good. Yeah, come with the phone.
Darren, I'm not coming
yeah,
with
you
the
come with the phone.
No.
The pussy by the phone. You remember you take it out. Pussy I come with phone too. It's like them a remind you about love and sex. The phone people them a sell the phone. Put pussy in their phone. You remember you see it? And say, Jerry, what is that doing on that? He said, I know. You remember, hey, yo. The pussy, tell the people them. The pussy there in the phone.
Jerry, I dropped me that man a pussy not coming on phone.
You see the pussy on the phone, you check it out, they change it out. Yeah, them will sell phone. The people them. With pussy and wood for your phone. That means I'm a
But
remind
where
you
you
about
think him for the way you think in that situation that him for
all right. Yeah, you gonna apologize because you say, boy, you never know.
But him can apologize on the woman phone it there now.
Yeah, but you buy it to the phone. You man say come with the phone, you not listen.
Oh, he come with the phone.
Yeah.
No. No, what I know, Jerry. Them there in the phone before me and her there.
Yeah.
Them still in there. Why you never delete them?
Oh. Tell man, me share fuck.
No. So at least you have ambition still, you know, because when me a search your phone, me see be a Western Union paper from 600 to 1,000.
Yeah.
But me and her
Alright.
then know. But me and her then know. The youth and her then know. She not supposed to have the hood them in her phone.
Nothing
Same.
no. Cause man not perfect. Not perfect. Like, carry a bam, play my bam, the way them think that bam, I can. So if you delete them, what is
So
the
where people
technology? The technology we are run.
But him beat her up, him should have beat her.
Alright, you make a mistake cause the man not perfect.
Yeah,
Stop
make
talking
a-
about perfect.
Yeah, the
Tell
youth-
him say-
Nobody not perfect for earth. God no make nobody perfect. That's why you have courthouse and prison and lie and jail and jury. Because there's nobody perfect.
So what you say? Him for apologize to her or
She never take them big with it. But you see, but that she wrong. To have them still.
Exactly.
She wrong. And you know you have a nice good relationship. Wipe them out there. But do the technology have them around while them not remember. Technology have them around.
remember.
but the girl say him have vagina in a him phone too.
Let me take it out. Let me tell you something. Love have many faces,
We
right?
not talk about no faces right now. So the two of them wrong. She having picture and him having picture.
We don't apologize to each other.
Yeah, me
Can nobody
apologize.
perfect, you know?
Me apologize.
She apologize too.
No, the youth apologize to her, but she tell the youth say it done and she a go put out the youth things them out the door. So me tell him say me no live nowhere, so me can't help him right now.
Yeah.
So when,
Yeah, the crown. The crown say we are landholder. It's in the crown place. Democracy, the crown.
So you gotta take up the girl and put her
Take
up.
up his blood tag, yeah. Me have time to stress. Me stress. That's the number one killer. Me can't hold. I straight me to stress. Me stress out with my business.
But the girl not have nowhere to
The girl
go.
not me forgot.
Yeah.
So if my dog him turn around bite you. You never hear that one there? Yeah, go way over there. Me don't want to see you around me. So if my dog turn around bite you,
But
you better be careful.
you can take her up.
Take up who?
The girl, she not have
So
nowhere
if you're
to stay.
sodomite.
No, but me just ask.
Just not the girl. Get him on your house. Get him on your house.
yo,
Tell
Jay,
us something.
me a dig off here. Bella,
Yeah.
Jerry, later, yeah.
Man, yeah.
That's how for my dog, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Want some cigarette too?
You can go smoke a cigarette.
All right.
Come here, come off a Jaden sitting.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
You mute me.
Yes, I do. Come on, for tell us something.
Eh?
Yes, I come on, for tell us something.
Yeah, come here. You know no time for nobody.
Okay, okay, okay.
No minute, no way.
Later.
Later, baby.